have the JLB Cheetah remote control car. It's a 1/10 scale off-roading buggy racing car that truly flies at crazy fast speeds and is a ton of fun to drive. It's seriously one of the most fun toys I've had in a long time. Oh, and the price, 20 to 30 minutes of drive time, depending on how aggressive you're flying around. Oh, and top speed, holy smokes, this little Cheetah was accurately named. This baby hauled. RC cars are making a major comeback. Prices are coming down while LiPo batteries and brushless motors are making these cars crazy fast and fun to drive anywhere.